Heyo duckies, Andi here, back with another advanced OBS tutorial, and now today we are looking at the recursion effect. That is all the crazy kaleidoscope kind of effects and repeating effects that you can normally get by putting another screen capture over your canvas, but now Exeldro has put it into one single plugin, nice and simple to use. Before we get into it, press that like, subscribe for more future content and tips. Put your walking for the stone, let's go! Right, so if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll have to get this plugin installed. It's dead easy to do. All the links are going to be down below. Just follow these easy steps. So, inside OBS plugins website, you'll be able to just download the recursion effect plugin just here. Just hit download. It's available for Windows 32, 64, Linux, and also Mac. I'm going to get the Windows 64 version. That'll download a zip file. Open that up. There's two folders in there. We're just going to copy them. So we've got data and OBS plugins. We need to go to your OBS Studio folder, which should be in the C drive, either program files or program files 86. Mine's in program files, and it should be OBS-studio or lowercase. All you gotta do is right click, paste them into there. I've already got it installed, so it's asking me to replace, but if you've not installed it before, it'll ask for all that administration privileges and everything like that. I always struggle saying that, don't know why, but just say yes to everything, restart OBS, and let's get on with it. So once all that is installed, we're going to have to jump into OBS and get it all activated, but I need to do one step before that, because as you can probably tell, I don't have a green screen, and I've got a trusty little tool that I can use for that, and that is the Xbox Kinect. So let me just get this started. We'll add the scene. I'm just going to use a blank scene for now, call it recursion effect. Then I'm also going to add my source, which is going to be the Kinect source, and that is the Kinect camera from the Xbox One. As you can see, there's a fake green screen effect. So if you've got an Xbox Kinect lying about, I'm sure Gen 1 and Gen 2 work now. You can actually check out the video just up there just to see what it's all about, and definitely give it a go because it is nice to have an extra camera and it's actually really decent. So go and check that out. So after tinkering with the Xbox Kinect settings, I got a decent look and a decent cutout, and I'm going to show you exactly how to add the filter. So we're adding the filter in standard way. You just go to filters and then you press the plus sign, and then we're going to see recursion filter just in there. If you're not seeing it, it means you've not got it installed correctly. So maybe make sure all your Visual Studio's up to date. Try recopying the devices, the files, sorry, all back into the folder again, and maybe even restart the computer. So you're going to get quite a few different options on there. You've got delay, you've got offset X, offset Y, scale X, and scale Y. The delay is obviously how long until the recursion is delayed for. So I've used 1000 milliseconds there, and you can see it kind of creates an army of me, which is beautiful. That's what we want, an army of Andi Lippy. Fantastic. So the offset is X, and Y is your X and your Y axis where you want it to be offset to, and I think that's in pixels. So if I move it 100 pixels, you can see the army of Andis are now offset together on the X, and we'll do that demonstration again for the Y just by 100, and you'll see now we're on a bit more of a diagonal. So you can use minus numbers and also positive numbers to change where the recursion is. So you get some really trippy effects if you change the delay. So I've got 50 milliseconds there, and as you can see, it goes pretty crazy. So there's so many cool different things that you can do with this, and the possibilities are kind of endless. So just try tinkering with different settings. It works very well if you do have a green screen or using a Kinect like I am. So you can also inverse as well, which just press that button. Yeah. It just kind of goes a little bit crazy, not gonna lie to you, because it plays everything over the top. So it inverts the whole entire recursion and puts the layers on top rather than behind. So just fiddle about with that. You've also got the reset function at the bottom, which they all tell you exactly what it says on the tin. If the source is active, then it's active. If you want it disabled, then it'll reset. There's different ways to reset it. So depending on what sort of look that you're going for, just fiddle about with what works best for you. So that's pretty much all there is to it with the recursion effect. It's a nice little simple plugin that Exeldro's made. So if that is something up your street and you're actually using all the scenes, I've seen people when they're creating different scenes to create all this crazy effects, but now it's all into one plugin. That is hopefully going to save so much CPU power for you guys and everything like that. If you've got any questions about anything you've seen today or about any other streaming related things, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. But until next time, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more future content, put your rock over the stone, see you soon.